Super Grover needs you!
Oh, no!
This is a job for...
The Fabulous Five! What's wrong, Super Grover?
Oh, my super body feels so tired. My super tummy feels so strange. My super fur feels so sticky, and my super muscles feel so mushy.
We have to help Super Grover do all the stuff the Fabulous Five learned. Oh, you need to sleep to recharge your super body.
He needs to eat some healthy food for his tummy.
Super Grover needs a bath to clean his sticky fur.
What this monster needs is exercise.
You mean if I sleep, eat healthy foods, take a bath, and exercise, I can be super again?
There's only one way to find out. Yo, Grover, get ready for action. Want to be your best? Your body and mind need sleep and rest.
Wow, it worked. Sleep worked. Oh, I feel great.
Hey, I'm not so tired anymore. I think my superness is recharging.
Get ready for action. Keep yourself clean. Scrub-a-dub-dub for good hygiene.
Go, Grover. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub. Oh, my fur feels so fresh and clean.
Who's your hero? Who's your hero?
Hey, now get ready for action. Come on, don't wait. Move your body and you'll feel great.
I love it! Magnifico! Yes!
All this moving is making my cute little muscles feel so good.
Get ready for action. Here's what to do. At every meal, eat healthy food.
Me love this healthy food. Oh, yeah.
Delicious.
We're ready for action and that's no